The HP ink tank wireless printers have got ink tanks over here. Hence, it should always be kept on a flat surface. And if you need to move the printer, such as shifting house, do use the repacking instructions and the plastic that came in box with the printer. We will show you what needs to be done to transport your printer safely and without spilling the ink or damaging the print heads. Taking out the repacking instructions, it states that it is for shipping printer after setup. Follow the instructions closely to repack your printer as you ship it to another place. First, you need to make sure that the ink tank caps are firmly closed. Make sure the caps are firmly closed. Next, with the printer powered on, open the exterior door and then the printhead access door. Press the black copy button for 3 seconds. The print carriage will move to the center. Remove the power cord. Next, push down the blue latch and push it down again slightly. At the same time, shift the print carriage all the way to the left. Now it is important that you do not remove the print heads. Then remove the paper from the printer. Finally, close the printhead access door and the external door. Put the printer into the plastic bag that came with the repacking instructions and put it into a box. With the printer in the plastic bag and using the foams that come with the box, you can now seal the box and tip it up for transportation. At the new destination, unpack the printer from the box. Plug in the power cord and power on the printer. If you see an E3 error, open up the external door and the printhead access door and check that the blue latch is properly latched. Push it all the way down. Then close the printhead access door and the external door. On the control panel, press the cancel button. The E3 error should disappear and you can reload your paper and start using your printer again.